What up, guys? Welcome back. Got a bit of a rain day off work, so decided I'd go at doing a bit of wiring. I think Ray's after getting a couple of bits, timing belt and water pump and stuff for the CRX, so we might go do that in a few minutes. I had started doing my wiring. It was with the 18s and being so low, it did catch it, used to catch it up along here. That's where all this silver tape is on the repair, but it also rubbed some wires here. If you can see that one, and then the back of that one as well. Back in torch. Yeah, there you can see it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna get in. That one's actually nearly broken completely. I'll check all the rest of the wires, make sure that they're all good. I think it's only them two on this patch. There's another bit of a hole in that one. But then also, actually torch. And this end, I've also rubbed through. Come on. We've nearly rubbed through a couple of bits here. And then I think there is another point here somewhere where it got pretty close. Yeah, in there. It got pretty close, so I'm gonna run them back. I'll probably end up cutting them all. There's not too many wires in there. I'll cut them all, put them through this hole, and then run it up the outside, all in along here. And then back down and in. Up there, it is the way they run, but it runs in like this, then back out and around. That's where that little bit is getting caught by the wheel. So that goes up there, that goes back around. So I wouldn't mind putting this the other side, because there is a hole there. One part of it goes through the hole, so you'd imagine why not put both parts in. And then I just tuck all that back in, out of the way. Hopefully you won't catch it anymore. But yeah, not much else going on at the minute. I got some bad news the other day, so I have to spend a bit of money for my gearbox on something else, unfortunately. So probably going to be another week, maybe 2 weeks before that arrives. But we'll keep pushing away. We'll do all these little bits before it goes back on the road. And now we're in race. Time about time.
Time about has a split in it. Probably won't be able to see it. We'll see it when we take it off.
We'll see it when we take it off. We noticed it there on the hill climb the last day.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of a nick in there somewhere, but yeah. And what, you got a new water pump as well?
Yeah, so new water pump.
Sweet.
New water pump, new gasket. And then
Happy days.
time about kit.
We should have a full one of them. I got one.
There's one somewhere, but I grabbed another one just before. So time about, what's this? Cam seals. Lubey stuff. Tensioner.
Sweet. Rip it apart.
Pour apart.
10 minutes later.
The belt is off. There we go.
There's the split. Just the one, is there? She's a bit shiny looking anyway.
Yeah, she's well polished up.
Yeah, just the one little crack.
Yeah, just the one splitting it.
That's what you get for not running on any cover.
Yeah, well, it's an old belt. That's been on it years.
Yeah.
That's been on it from the first time I done the head gasket on it, fucking years ago. So now that's that.
Oh, next water pump out. And we've got coolant.
Just remember the drip tray at the last second.
Yeah.
Not like usual.
No.
Leave it too late.
I asked the question, what's going to happen when you pull that off? He's like, oh yeah, water's going to go everywhere. And, what you like?
Yeah, it's a bit crusty.
get a fresh one. All the different colour sealants.
She's been on and off a few times. First time I've had it off though.
Huh?
Yeah. I didn't need to take it off when I was doing the engine
Oh,
run.
yeah.
So this is the first time I've had it off.
Yeah. Oh well. Get a freshie in there. And it's done.
Oh, back together.
Throw a wheel on, put some coolant in, sand it.
Sick. Less than an hour.
Yeah. Well under an hour. And hopefully we've sorted out that power steering leak now. And it's not going to keep destroying in there.
Again.
Hopefully. Yeah. Fingers crossed. Well, that's both of the O-rings done on both the high and the low pressure side, so.
So your next thing now can be the actual pump itself.
Yeah. Meh. Yeah. And I'm back in my shed. I'm halfway through the wiring. I've managed to loop it in through the hole that I wanted. So I'll just come along afterwards and fix up the couple of bits at this end. But I reckon it's nearly there now. Hopefully it'll be a lot tidier. I put my plastic cover back on. I'll rewrap it again. But lovely little joints. And done right with solder. Now, that's how you wrap your wiring harnesses. So, I'll be able to tuck that right up back into the edge, up over here. Same over this side. I've got it going up inside that hole. I'll just tape up these couple of bits again. And yeah, I'll put my wrap back across it. And she be schmick. Now, finally done. Wires all tucked in, all the way up and across, and then the other side of my colour piping. And the only one that's left is the bonnet cable, but it's kind of out of the way. It only kind of rubs here anyway, so we'll yeah, tidy this up in. That's from the oil pressure gauge. Tidy that away. And we're done. So that's about it for this week. So all the usual, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next week.